Hello everyone, welcome to Trade Smash. So today is 4th of May and we are seeking a good opportunity in the downside side in Bank Nifty. So we are taking trade after many days. So let's see how this trade goes. So all of our conditions in this particular trade is satisfied and we are seeking an inside candle at this minute in the index. So after that is formed, we'll be buying the put of 32,500 as soon as the low of the inside candle breaks. So let's see if that particular situation is formed or not. Okay, the inside candle is formed and we are ready to buy the put. So okay, so we are buying the put. The low of the inside candle was broken, so we have bought the put, and here we can see the M2M going on, which is around 323 rupees. So let's try to adjust the stop loss. Okay, it's not getting adjusted, no worries. So we'll adjust as soon as we see more of an upside movement in the put chart. So let's see how this trade's gonna work. We have bought this put over a breakdown in the index. So we saw an inverted head and shoulder pattern as well as a breakdown near the round figure. Plus there was an inside candle in the breakdown region. So there were these conditions that were being supported for me to take this particular trade. Now let's adjust the stop loss. Now we have adjusted the stop loss to 8 rupees, so our loss in this trade would be max to max 200 rupees, not more than that, but our profit would be 625 rupees once the target gets hit. So let's see how the movement happens. We are seeing a negative candle being created, but that has been rejected and we are seeing a green candle now. So let's be ready to close the position as soon as we see any negative candle. Okay, so an up move is coming here. So the index has moved in the downward direction around 100 points. So our PNL as of now is around 400 rupees. Let's see if our target gets hit or we make a loss of 200 rupees. So I think our target will fine. Our target is hit and we have made the 25 points in this particular trade. Let's look at the dashboard over here. So our PNL is 625 rupees. Let me refresh the page. Okay, let's look into the dashboard. So our PNL is 625 rupees. This was for Bank Nifty 32,500 put and our trade was 368 and 393. 368 was the buying price and 393 selling price. So this was our trade, and let me tell you some logic about this particular trade. So there was an inverted head and shoulder made in this particular trade. Moreover, there was a breakdown at a round figure as well as there was an inside candle during the breakdown. So first of all, let me show you the inverted head and shoulder that was made in this particular trade. So here is the first shoulder, here is the head, and here is the second shoulder of the inverted head and shoulder pattern. So this pattern was formed plus the breakdown plus the inside candle during breakdown plus the round figure. So all these were the conditions that I had looked into this particular trade. So that's it for this video and thanks for watching.